Good morning, everybody. As a reminder, this live stream and everything I say on this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please trade smart and trade safe. And remember that a lot of traders lose. Be smart. Please also do not restrict me to the algorithm. Let's go. What's up, guys? What up, everybody? What up, what up, what up? Good morning. Good morning, money team. What's up, RT? What's up, Lemon Lime? Lemon Lime 8. Lemon Limeade. I get you. David was good. What up, Matt? What up, Jesse? All right. Better day today. Better trading day today. Then we have FOMC tomorrow. I don't miss a live. That's why you're the GOAT. That's why you're the GOAT. But we got to keep the giveaways free, man. Or fair and free. Free and fair. Fair, free. Live trading. What's up, bro? I've been trading for 2+ years, but recently I've been super inconsistent, and it's killing me. Well, let's get you back on track. Let's get you back on track, my boy. Well, it starts one day at a time. That's how you get back on track in trading, is one day at a time. All right, let me get these. Let me get these links out to everybody. Let the public know that we are live. We are back in action, and we'll get started. Hope everyone had a good night's sleep, and you guys are coming in ready to trade. Ready to trade, and trade some more. And most importantly, keep DOD. Keep your DOD intact. I'll sneeze. Woo! Felt that one coming from a mile away. What is going on, everybody? Thank you. Appreciate y'all. Good morning, Senor Dunn. What's up, 777 Elevate? What's good? As a reminder to everybody joining this live stream, and everything I say on this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please trade smart and trade safe, and don't restrict me. Oh, shoot. Yesterday I received my first ever payout from Apex. It's an amazing feeling, brother. Let's go. Shout out Dennis, Florida Realtor, slinging that expensive, beautiful Florida real estate. Congratulations, man. What is my bias today? I don't have a bias yet. We're down overall from yesterday's close. We're sitting right around 28,000 still. I'm hoping that we can find some nice direction. That being said, I'd still veer towards downside. You could also see a reject around that 28, that 28.2 to 28, even like 28 300 area today. We'll see. What an inspiring interview with Josh yesterday. He's a beast. He's a great example of what we want to build with the Disciplined Trader program. Don't. Oh. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. I see y'all joining in. I see y'all coming and ready to learn, level up, and win. Let's go. Water in the back sounds relaxing. Thank you. Yeah, the trading's been locked in since we got the water fountain. I like it too. I do need to add more water to it, though. I actually might do that soon. Got my greens, got my collagen. We're ready. Got my collagen and my greens. I take some beef, grass-fed beef collagen, and then I take AG1 for my greens. I like the AG1. Some people hate on it. I like it. I feel good after taking it. So I take it every day. Give a monthly or weekly fee or use 2 free videos. There's both options. There's free videos, tons of free game, free live streams. There's also private paid live streams. It honestly just depends on where you're at and what your goals are. Can you come to me? Yes, come to me, my friend. Good morning from Chicago. What's up, Igor? What's up, Diablo? What's up, Mac? Philippe? What's good? How much is Lucid 50K daily profit target? I believe it's 3. My favorite show is on. Hey, let's go. Jdun, I passed a select count, said, and then hit my daily loss limit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dog. I'll tell you guys this. I tell you guys every single day. But even more so, I'll tell you today that what's holding you back is not your strategy. What's holding you back is not even price action moving up and down. What's holding you back is your ability to sit and wait and stay patient and take losses to the chin and not have them be massive and walk away with a small red day. That's what's holding you back. A lot of you guys know how to win. You can know how to win. You got to know how to lose. It's like an athlete. If, your favorite athlete went and missed one shot or missed one catch and then they gave up and went on tilt, did a bunch of stupid stuff, then they're never going to be great at what they do. It's like if a business had to pay rent once, so they got mad at the cost of doing business and they went and bought a bunch of unnecessary supplies and made a bunch of stupid, irrational decisions. You got to think about your losses in trading as a cost of doing business. Yes, sir. What up? Good, bro. How you doing? Let's catch a banger. Hey, you didn't take a trade yesterday, did you? No trade for Grizzly Glauk. Oh man, you got anything you like today? Oh, nice. Dude, TikTok is on some absolute games again. All right, here's the deal, TikTok. If you guys are on TikTok, go to my YouTube right now. I'm about to end this live stream on TikTok. Go to YouTube, Jdun Trades. If you want all my exact trades in real time, go to YouTube, Jdun Trades on YouTube. Yep, go to YouTube right now. I'm ending this TikTok live. They keep restricting the live, so they think I'm a fake me. Like, what? So, yep, tap in. Come on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. It's a better live stream anyway. You get full screen share. Come on over to YouTube right now, Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on YouTube. I'm live. I'll see you there right now. Peace. All right. Yeah, the TikTok's just on games. I love our YouTube lives is better anyway. Straight up. Check, check, check. Let's try this one more time. All right, what is going on, everybody? As a reminder, specifically to the TikTok algorithm, this live stream and everything I say on this live stream is not financial advice. Everything I say on this live stream is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is 7:08 a.m. Mountain Time, July 28th, 2026. Please trade smart and trade safe. Everything is simulated trading. Everything is said here is for fun. Let's go. It doesn't work like that, Tech. Their algorithm is very interesting. But yes, as a reminder. What's up, Charles? Yeah, this is people stay longer on here anyway. Bro, yeah, right? I know, David. Fake me. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it, y'all. Let's make some magic happen. Let's make some magic happen, everybody. You guys all have a good night's sleep. You guys all have yo, Jetta, what's up? Hopper Coffee here, DOD. That's what I'm talking about, Mr. Coffee. Did I take a trade yesterday? Yeah, 2 small, 5 micro losses. Yep. So, started the day with a hint of red. Let's see here. What's max payout on Lucid daily? 150K. I believe it's like 12K per. Yeah, those new Lucid Directs are fire, bro. If you guys haven't gotten one, it's way better than TPT. They're great. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys all trading. If you're trading futures using code Jdun on your account. So I do my best to help you guys every day. Down on the last 500 eval, debating if I should full port something today or just start over. It goes wrong. I mean, depends how much profit target you have, but I would recommend at least trying to find a good setup if you're going to put on size. You know? Lucid Daily or Tradeify Daily. I mean, they're both great. One of the reasons why I like the Lucid Daily so much more than TPT that's insane. Teen killed, 4 injured in lightning strike in Colorado Summit. Dude, the lightning storm here was crazy last night. I got such a sick picture of my Honda. Did you guys see that? I got such a sick picture of my Honda last night. Literally, it was a lightning storm, so I had my phone ready taking pictures. Look at this picture I got in the Honda. Tell me that's not tough. I was proud of it. I was like, this is sick. At source. Yeah, check this out. Tell me that's not tough. In the humble Honda. You tell me that's not tough. But would it be a better picture from the Lamborghini? Yeah, one day when I have a Lamborghini. That's why you don't hike 14ers. After you want to summit by noon. The storms, man. Yeah, when I turn 29, I'll get a Lambo. Yep. Yep, that's it. Why is NQD listed on Webull? I don't think it should be. I've literally never once said I was 32. Ever. I think you were on a different live stream. You're going to dash me your Honda when you get a Lambo. I like my Honda. No one who's rich would only drive a Honda. You're right. Go use code Jdun so I can upgrade my car, please. Yeah, let's see what we get today. Let's see what we get today, guys. We got pre-market high right above. We got pre-market low a bit away. I'd love to see a nice simple trend day. Nice simple trend day would be great. I actually like my Honda though. Like that's the thing. It's not just like a marketing thing. I got sick. Yep. I got sick when he said he was about to get a 100K payout, then lost 700, then blew the account trying to get that back. Yeah, he lost 100K in a day. How crazy is that? But like I say, bosses take losses. He rebounded from it. That's what matters. Yeah, hopefully you guys liked that interview with one of our very own mentorship students. Hopefully you guys liked that interview. What's up, guys? I appreciate you guys. As a reminder, hitting that like button. If you're on TikTok, I appreciate you hitting that follow. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. Please don't restrict me. TikTok algorithm was having fun. Also, I appreciate you guys hitting that like button on the live, tapping that screen over and over, tapping. If you guys get to 120K likes, fun and good things happen, if you know what I mean. So tap that screen, hit that like button over and over. Same with the U to the tube. Appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up. You guys get to our like goals, good things happen. Ryan, I have to restart the lives, man. It makes me. Otherwise, it doesn't get more reach. Funny you said that. My boss just told me if you're going to play millionaire games, that millionaire losses come with it. I'm down 28K this month. Happens. As a reminder, our stream is sponsored by FFF today, the Funded Futures family. So, stream is sponsored by FFF, the Funded Futures family. Right now, their premier accounts are my favorite accounts in the entire world. There's a lot of firms I like. However, my favorite accounts are the premier account with the FFF, the Funded Futures family. They have no activation fees, no consistency on eval or fundeds, no minimum buffers, and no daily loss limits. Truly great accounts. They're 40% off with code Jdun. They're honestly incredible accounts. I have 5 of the funded premiers personally myself. Yep, it's only $95 all in too. So from a price standpoint, it's great. The Premier account. The Primes are cool too, but the Premiers are my favorite personally. Here. Put it right here. Yep, the Funded Futures family. They paid out $23 million so far. Yeah, I mean the velocities are cheap, but bro, they're hard, man. Like, I'll tell you, if you want a cheap account, you can get a 25K velocity for $15 with no activation fee. All in your cost is $15. I'm just telling you right now, they're hard. did a 3-day pass with intraday drawdown. If you can get past that, then you got a $15 account with no activation fee. Not enough. I've been paid out twice for velocity. That's awesome. That means you're doing something right. Those are not easy accounts. I mean, no account is truly easy, but those are tough, man. Who's at the office today? We're not trading at the office right now. Yep, not trading at the office right now. I'm at Mikasa. Thoughts on SpaceX bottom? I don't know when the bottoms of SpaceX is going to be. It could be a 110. It's possible. I'd rather see it go lower, though. If we went under like 60 to 70, I'd probably put 6 figures in. I'd put 60, 70 Rackos in. We went down that far. Puts after 30 minutes of open. We'll see. We got 5 minutes left till open, everybody. Well, that's literally me and my bear. Seriously. Do I trade live every day? I sure do. Scotts Bluff, Nebraska. I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska originally. Yeah. What a privilege it is to be able to trade today. Yes, sir. Hoping we dump hard. North Star. You go to North Star? Nice. I went to Lincoln East. As a reminder, guys, I will not have my full stream up on Thursday. I believe Wednesday evening I'll be traveling for a funeral on Thursday. That's the preliminary plan. So there's a good chance I'll be live in the morning on Thursday, but it won't be with my normal stream. I'll be with my mobile setup. BTC will test 50K next month. We'll see. Yes, all good, man. Such is life. What am I thinking for New York AM Open? I'm not sure yet. We're going to find out. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Join in and welcome. Good morning. To be fair, he has no idea if it's going to be a good trading day. Nobody does. That's right. I need to take a photo with you, please. Oh, I appreciate you, man. If you ever see me in person, please come up and say hi. Kind of hard to miss. I'm pretty tall. According to according to Poon Master 945, I'm 35 and 5'5", but let's get it, bro. Yeah, you're 5'6". You're my short king grizzly, and I love you for that. That is wild. Yep. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. This is your daily reminder to choose discipline over dopamine today. You guys come in with a choice every single morning to put yourself in a trading position of profitability and being better and trading smart and trading safe, or to keep making the same silly mistakes that you have in the past. It's your choice. You can come in every day and you can better yourself every single morning if you're willing to stay patient, wait, use proper position sizing, stick to your plan, trade the system, and not blow yourself up. I had all you guys promise me yesterday to start the week that you would choose one thing to better and that you wouldn't go on tilt, you wouldn't revenge trade. And at the end of the day, there were so many people that broke their rules. We cannot let that happen again. Can't let it happen again. Can't let it happen again, guys. So let's get it. As a reminder, from the free live streams, I appreciate y'all being here. Isaiah says SYBA up. Shut my banana butt up. I'll just go ahead and shut up then on my live. Sorry. Sorry for talking on my live. What's up, Gene? That's a reminder, though. I appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button in the top left corner, hitting that like button. Tap that screen over and over. If you guys get this live to 120K likes on the TikTok, good things happen. That's all I'll say. You guys know what it is. I think there's some FFF 50Ks that need homes. Same deal with the U to the tube. If you guys hit that like goal, hit that thumbs up button. Good things happen when you hit that. Let's get it. Let's go. Nice job, Preme. I got my coffee too, baby. Let's go. All right, let's get it, guys. Let's get it, guys. Favorite song. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Do Do I live in Lincoln? I'm just from there, bro. Ball so hard. Let's go. Who's in Paris? I don't know. Ninjas in Paris. I like this song. Ni star star. AS and Ninjas in Paris. Yeah, I think it's like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle song. Love this song. Guys, keep play this song one time. Y'all keep asking me, trying to get me in trouble. Did I lock in a trade yet? No trades yet. I don't trade the first 15 minutes. I wait the first 15 minutes, let it settle. See if we can find a. See if I can find a setup. So Hall. If we hit a banger today, can my mentor tell me? Y'all are hilarious. Which moving average is that? VWAP. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Watch for the reversal here. We'll see. We're right now. I just hope that we don't take out pre-market low and sweep. Trade hourly. I like the 15-minute. Man, that Asia low reject was it yesterday. That Asia low was it. Did you trade Asia? No. But the Asia low bounce. Or rejection, excuse me. The Asia low reject went crazy. So did that first 2-bar. That's the one I should have taken. That first 2-bar was nice. How's everybody doing this morning? Where's everyone trading with me from this morning? Where y'all trading with me today? Florida, Texas, Kansas. I'm sorry. Iowa, ew. Idaho, Norway, Nashville, Columbus, Nebraska. I used to go to Columbus all the time, man. Nice. Missouri, San Diego. What's up? We got the Midwest in the house today. What's good? Oklahoma, California, all the way from South Africa. Nice. Louisiana, Idaho. I've actually heard great things about Idaho. H-Town, Lincoln, Yeehaw, Detroit, Arizona. Damn, you're in Arizona. You're going to go outside and fry some freaking eggs on your sidewalk. I'm telling y'all right now, if I lived in like Phoenix or something and I wake up and it's freaking 90 or 100 degrees, I'm pissed. It's going to be freaking 105 today. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 111? What? I can't believe y'all was willingly live there. That's insane. I mean, I've heard it's very pretty, but man, it's so hot, bro. If I wake up and it's 90 degrees, I'm fighting someone, bro. I don't know who. I'm gonna be angry. I box myself in the mirror. Honestly, I'd rather live in -10. I'm not kidding you. I would rather live in Antarctica before I lived in Phoenix. I stand on that. I like the cold. And who else likes the cold? Who else likes the cold, Gene? You. Genus wants to ski again. It's a dry heat. That's how Colorado is too. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in, guys. What up, what up, what up? What's good, what's good, what's good? As a reminder, the TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button. I'm live on YouTube, the tube as well. Jdun Trades for full screen share. JDUN Trades for full screen share, everybody. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So come tap in, Jdun Trades. I hope all you guys got to watch that student interview I put out yesterday. SpaceX new all-time low. I'm waiting. I will buy 10,000 worth if we hit 100 today. If we get under 100, I will buy 10,000 worth. You're watching for shorts at 900 point of control? Oh, earlier. Hey, why are you cursing in my live? Don't be cursing. Smack that NQ shorts on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Asian low again. Don't tell me we're gonna hit Asian low again. 840. The interview was fire. Yes, he's a beast. Yeah, we got our 15-minute range coming in 3 minutes, guys. So before we get there, make sure if you guys haven't already, set aside an hour today or this weekend to watch that new student interview I posted with a Team Bowl member. It's pretty great. Great guy. Damn, and crushing low a day through that. Damn. Watched it yesterday. Great story. He was very relatable. I'm glad you got value from that. I'm glad a lot of you guys went and watched it and got value from it. Oh, let's see, guys. I'd love to see a close here. I would honestly today, I'd be willing to watch for a 50% retracement of this range. So like around this 860 for shorts. Agreed. Story is very relatable, but truly the underlying message is belief, working hard, and not quitting. That's really what it boils down to, and mastering yourself. Because trading will reveal stuff about yourself that you never knew. Your job is to deal with it in the proper way and execute. As a reminder, this stream is sponsored by the Funded Futures family. They were kind enough to give us a sponsor today, and so that means I got some 50Ks that need homes later. That being said, you can also use code Jdun for 40% off their Premier accounts. I love their 50K Premiers. They're $95 all in. No consistency on eval or funded. No activation fees. No daily loss limit. No minimum buffers. 5 days of 200 and you get paid out half. Pretty sweet. So if you're a beginner trader or if you're not profitable or consistently profitable with prop firms, that's an account that I'd highly recommend you put in your arsenal. Premier. It's you. All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. Let's see what we get, my friends. All right, let's see what we get, guys. I am going to watch for... I moved to like 27, 860 area. I'll potentially watch for a short. This 50% retracement with stops at like, had to be like 860 to 870 for shorts with stops above like 925-ish. That's what I'll be mainly looking for, everybody. We also had higher volume on this 5-minute here. So pretty aggressive selling going on in the 1, aggressive selling going on in the 5. We'll see how we react going up back into this area. All right, guys, let's see. Let's see. Do I do futures or options? Futures. My counterpart isn't here. All right, let's go ahead and post our scenarios for the day. Our 15-minute range is set on NQ. It's scenario time. I trade. One, heavy selling to start the morning. No, what? Where'd my... where'd my charts go? There we go. All right, let's see. Start the morning. My main watch is a 50% retracement. Rejection around POC and pre-market low to catch or downtrend, but we'll be cautious if we get aggressive reversal 5-minute candle into it. 2. In the case longs do work out, I want to see a build above 2-minute high first. Going to stay patient. We also have FOMC tomorrow, guys. With FOMC tomorrow. DOD. We also have FOMC tomorrow, everybody. I think tomorrow's FOMC actually could be a decently volatile meeting. So we'll see. I have high hopes. Still waiting for my XRP to make me a millionaire. Yep, this week should be good. FOMC weeks, I always say that I actually like the Thursday and Friday after FOMC than I like the lead up. Okay, this is tough to short now. In a lot of ways, I'd say typically we sweep a key level. I'd watch for like a 720, 730 area bounce with stops at like 660. It's a lot of risk, but a lot of times with this, I like to say boom, boom. A lot of times you'll see these 5-minute candles move to reversals. It's kind of a tricky spot to be in. Still breaking. What do you mean? 15-minute orbs right here. You'd have to trade the reverse orb. You have to trade the long right here. It's just risky. You can, but this low here is 660. So even at the 15-minute orb, like reverse orb, you'd have like 70 points of risk. Unless you put your stops earlier. It's kind of sketchy for me. I think it could work, but this early, it's a little sketchy with how the trend's been. $70 points of risk. Here's why it's a little sketchy at 15-minute. So let's say you entered here, but your stop saying you have 70 points of risk. To get to 1-to-1, you need to get to at least it's like 800 area. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense from a risk-reward perspective. Plus, the trend is aggressively down. Not a 2-bar, technically speaking, because we're in the first 15-minute range. See if I can give you a nice little Jdun Think indicator to start. Give you something light with a Jdun Think indicator. It's a little treat to start the day. No, honestly, if this candle wouldn't have been as deep, I probably would have tried this. But I'd love to see a 50% retracement later. I'd love to see that. Let's see. Stay patient, everybody. Love the positivity you bring in here. Yes. I pray for each and every one of y'all to find massive and consistent success, everybody. God bless. Gangster's Paradise. I'm the NQ gangsta. All right, let's see what we get here, guys. We went up to like 800. Rejected into this candle. The NQ gangsta, that's right. A little choppy for your taste. Yeah, I think we got some good trends setting up, hopefully. As I walk through the thought of the market of death, my funded account stays alive by a single thread. All right. Ugh. The single, you see the volume on the single stock futures yesterday? Horrible. So bad. This could give us another 2-bar today. We'll see. Literally no volume. You know, the CME actually tried to do single stock futures like 20 years ago. A lot of people don't know that. There was no volume. But it's a different market. We got a bunch of people trading today. A lot more people than there was 20 years ago. How much is he trading on? I'm trading on the 5-minute chart. And then as time moves, I'll open the 15 as well. 15-minute chart can be very beneficial too. Yeah, I don't... Sucks. I have to turn off. Yo, Grizzly Glock, can you hear me? The Grizzly of all the gobblers. So asking you how I turn off these sell signals on Grizzology. Besides turning off pain labels. Is there a way? What? The pain labels? I don't like them, bro. I just don't. They clutter my chart, and then people join the lives, and they're like, they're like always saying to sell. Like I'm just come on, give us a little 2-bar action. That's right. We have consumer sentiment, right? I want this guy to fall down on NASDAQ. I want this guy to fall down on NASDAQ. Is day trading worth it? Yeah, if you're ready for a few years of pain, finding things out about yourself that you never knew, doubt, frustration, anger, getting kicked in the huevos over and over. What I miss. Questioning yourself and your ability, long nights, early mornings, a lot of time. Anything I missed? Yeah, if you are ready for all that, then it's definitely worth it. Or you can go watch a paid ad from Market Master 84 on Forex trading and go take his course and quit your job in 2 weeks. So you can take my advice or you can take Market Master's. It's up to you. Jdun, may I please take your course and quit my job in the next month? I must pay the rent with the trade profit. Not quite, bro. Dealing with all of that and other personal family issues, healthy family health, working on top of all this, work stress. Yeah, it's a lot. You're also going to have hiccups in your trading. Specifically when life stuff comes. So real quick, guys, we're touching this 15-minute orb low. We don't have a lot of volume here. We also didn't really have a lot of volume on the 15-minute chart either. So I'm just staying patient and waiting. Can't leave out telling your friends I'm too tired to hang out, but really you feel sick in your stomach from blowing up the account again. You know, that's a very real reality for a lot of traders. That's why I tell you guys DOD is the way. I do my best to help you guys have a less stressful trading experience. I want you to enjoy your trading more. So as much as I preach daily habits and discipline and real life stuff, like I know it might seem repetitive, but it's in your best interest. Let's go, Becky. Got into the Discipline Trader program. Nice. Consumer confidence came in a little low. Hardly moved the needle. Yep, didn't surprise me. What's good, everybody? What up, what up, what up? We're at that 15-minute low, guys. This could potentially be a reject area, but I'm just not fully buying it with how low the volume was in this push down. You have about 70 points of risk up to 800 too. DOD is hard, but so much better. Yep. You think about over trading DOD, revenge trading DOD, tilt trading DOD. Oh man, some Akon. Eugene, you want to come say hi quick? I got to piss like a racehorse before we get any setups. The taco bandito burritos coming over.
Hi guys. What's going on? How are you guys doing? What's up, guys? Doing good, doing good.
Sorry, guys. I went and caught a tan real quick. No, I went and untanned. He doesn't like the taco jokes. Gene, do you like the taco jokes? He thinks they're funny. How was Asia last night, Gene? So 1 loss, 1 win. Nice. Someone's always offended. Yeah, always. I'm like, quit being so soft. I'm due for a win. That's right. I'm going to watch this 50% retracement of the day, guys. So if we go from high to low point with our fibs, 50% is around like, it's a little low. It's around 820. I'd honestly rather be like 820 up to 850. So in this zone, because we have all of our key levels there. We have so many key levels there. We have point of control, we have Asia low, and we have pre-market low. So I'd love for us to test in this area. I'd be willing to put on potentially a full risk trade, full size trade, and look for a lower high in here. You. Gene, you see that lightning strike killed someone on a 14er yesterday? Yep. What? Yes, that's why I tell you they were hiking. You have to happen at 1:20 p.m. on the summit. That's why I tell people you got to summit before noon because there's lightning storms. It's low, but it happens, bro. Yeah, 15-year-old man, super sad. Man, I wanted to see us go up to this range right here and reject. I still like the shorts more than anything right now. We had so many stacked levels. If we could have gotten this, man. I will potentially watch if we get a high volume continuation candle down here, I will potentially watch for 50% retracement, 15-minute low, like 730, like 800 stop, I guess. So probably lower size, more point risk. 730 to 750 area maybe for shorts if we get a solid close on it. When did you wish you found out about trading? I was 9 years old playing with freaking Legos when I should have been playing with NASDAQ and charts. You know, it's time. We got a potential continuation candle coming in. I was wasting time with Legos when I should have been learning stocks. I'm going to watch for the 730 area for shorts, guys. 730 to 750. And I will stop out for a loss above 800. Yep. Me too. It's worth a try for me. I'm willing to start the day red. Yes, me, Jdun, is willing to lose a trade and start the day losing money if we get to that area. I also, guys, I have in, I'll let you know if I canceled. I have in a sell order, so short order at 740, a very small one. Just in case we wake up and move down at 740, I have a short order in. It's a starter size. Thanks to life. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It literally wicked up and wicked down. Come on. I have that sell order in at 740. You see that, Grizzly? Literally for a split second, we wicked right up to 730 and then rejected. That second. I should have my sell order at 730. Literally right there. Go to the freaking 30-second chart. See that. That is insane. That is literally insane. It teased that. That teased that so dirty, bro. That is insane. That is literally insane. Oh, I was ready to take that. It just wicked up and wicked down. Didn't even give a chance to go into the zone. That is insane. I can't believe that. I even had a sell order set. Well, let's cancel that. Let's cancel that. Let's see what it gives us. I'm still down to take the zone. It's a little more sketchy now that we touched literally right at 730 and moved down. You see that, Grizzly? And it's getting a low day here. Oh, that sucks. That's a kick right in the huevos. I just got mogged. Oh my gosh. Look at that, bro. That is insane. That is literally insane. That is literally insane. I guess the 2-bar is still technically in play. I hate to try a 2-bar, though, after literally just getting mogged by that setup. What's the high here? 730. So maybe like 680 area, 700 shorts with stops at like 730. That's crazy. So close. That is wild. So close. Literally right there. Right there. I can't believe that, bro. That's all right. I'll watch the 2-bar at 680 to 700, but after whatever the heck this was, this BS right here, I'm gonna take it a little lighter. I still will watch the 2-bar at this point. So I will watch for the rejection around like 680. I can't believe that, bro. That just did us dirty as hell. The freaking literally everything right. The wick up was just so fast. Like literally before you could even do it, just up down. Unless you had a limit order there, it was basically impossible to get filled at 730. Unless you had a set limit order just sitting at 730, and even then, if anyone had one, you can say it. I don't even know if it would have filled then. Only way you would have gotten filled is a limit order. Otherwise, you would have been late. Why am I not getting shorts now? Because I don't chase bottoms. You can. I always tell people, like, if you want to take shorts, take them at the bottom. I don't trade like that. I've been burned way too many times chasing bottoms. I can't believe it did that, bro. That's crazy. Limit set at 740. Ready to enter above 730. Just dirty, man. It's all right. Nope. No. Nope. I had a limit set at 740. Yep, I was ready. And now we took out that low, so even the 2-bar now is higher risk. Like, you can try 670 to 690, 680 area, call it. But it's a bit higher risk given that we went and took out this candle low. Now moving. So 2-bar is still technically valid. I was ready to rip that trade too. I was ready in this whole zone to rip it. Yep, lame. Our 15-minute chart also has lowering volume, which is very interesting. Yeah, it sucks. Let's see what else we can get, everybody. So close. Literally so close there, man. 730 to 750 is all I liked. Come on, man. That's dirty from Nazdaquita. That's not cool. It's not cool, pretty lady. This was the one of the day. 2-bar still could work up here, 680. I'll watch it. You just have to be aware it is higher risk with taking out that low first. Let's see here. Where's my... Let's see how we react up in here, everybody. Need to be... Man, look at that 2-bar. It's going to work too. Higher risk 2-bar, but nonetheless, it's playing so far. Whenever you take out that previous candle low right here, see, we took out that first. Still technically valid, but higher risk around the 680 up to the 730 area. Higher risk when we take out the candle low first. You'd like to see us push up and then fail, not take liquidity, then move up. So we'll see. I do trust myself. I was literally, why do you guys say this stupid stuff? You're like, Jdun, stop hesitating. I'm like, bro, we didn't even get filled up here. Or right here, excuse me. I was ready to rip this, potentially even full size. Just didn't get it. If you want to take trades, take trades. You want to take longs here? Take longs. You want to take shorts? Take shorts. That being said, someone is asking, why aren't you taking shorts at 608? She'd be down 90 points. You want to take a trade. Even this potential 2-bar right here, it would have been like 1-to-1, I think. So we'll see. I still like the idea of retracing at 50%, but it's just being a little tricky. Being a little tricky right now. So we'll see how we react if we get to 800. Yep. If I can get one good trade today, I'm chilling. Well, Jdun, you already have money, so it's different. You don't need to trade a lot. That's just like when people say that, I'm like, that is the silliest thing I've ever heard in my life. The more money you have doesn't mean you have to trade less. Your focus should be quality. Yes, please. If you want to take a trade, bro. Well, it stops me on the 50% retracement. Probably up at like 730. That being said, I'm not taking this here. The more money, the more resources you have to manage your trades. I mean, I guess, but you also have more money to lose. Yep. The more trades you take does not mean the more money you make. Let's say did. All right. Let's see what else we can get. Hey, if y'all want to argue in the YouTube comments, go over to Facebook or CNN or Fox News, or go talk politics with people on the internet. That's not for here. We're here to make money, baby. Come on. Quit griping at each other like cats. You want to go to drama? Go on over to Facebook. We're here to make money. We're here to make money, baby. Come on. Let's get it. That's why our live chat or our premium chat's the best. No drama. Just focus. Man, this was the one, though. The 730 area would have been nice. 730 down to 606, 100 points. That was the one. That was the one. Good thing about it, though, is that it will come again. You can use code Jdun to join. Yes, same code as all the prop firms. If you'd like to check out premium. Yep, Nigel gets it. $1 a day for your first month. Insane. Come on now, baby. All right, let's see what else we can get. I'm mad about that 740 not getting hit. Yes, I'm sorry. I should have made my order get filled at 740. I'm so sorry. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can cook up here. Gotta join Trump's premium Discord this month. Yeah, for the millisecond faster tweets. Yeah, Jdun, why didn't you move the market so we could hit 740, scammer? I know. For the low price, honestly, if it could benefit us, I'd pay the 100K a month, but it's not going to do anything for us as retail. I mean, you'd have to have algorithms programmed directly to it, like HFTs. Yeah, I'm taking secret trades. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, it's up at that 730 spot again. It's riskier now. It's not the same story as the first time it touched. It's never the same story as the first time you touch the level. It's a little different. Let's see what else we get. We could get a rejection in this area, but we'll see. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate y'all being here, trading smart, trading safe, and choosing DOD, discipline over dopamine. You get the best prop firm discounts every day with code Jdun. I appreciate you guys supporting me. I do my best to support you right back. You scratch my back, I scratch yours, baby. We all get back scratches. Let's see what else we can get today. I can't believe we had a few good ideas. Got edged in this trade, had an order set at 740, never filled. And from that, that's really all I've seen today that I've really liked. Is it weird that I'm more profitable with sells than buys? No. A lot of people like trading the downside. A lot of people love trading the downside. So it's not surprising. Downside is Bay. Yeah, I love the downside, man. Institutions love the downside too. Yeah, I could see that for sure. I'll still watch for this area in here, but man, it was a bummer not getting this earlier for sure. Still have 1 more hour to trade. I really have to go at like 9:30, 9:40 Mountain Time today. I'm recording another long form educational trading video today, so I got to film 10. Yeah, my feet finder. I got feet finder at 10. Got to film my content for there, man. Yeah, no breaking phones this time. I got to be DOD with that. Massive trade on Friday. Yep, Thursday and Friday back-to-back massive days. This is the area I wanted before. A little sketchy now. We also reclaimed this 30-minute low solid body 15-minute candle. We'll see. This is what I wanted to see before. This is the exact area I wanted before. Just a little sketchier on that second test. Honestly, at this point, I'd rather see us retest like the 50% retracement. Up here at like 800 maybe. It's just sketchy. Trading it at 750. We could reject here, but we're also potentially going to have a higher volume reversal above 15-minute low. So in that first test up, it's just a little sketchier. So I'm hanging or holding off. Oh, man, come on. Trading is just gambling, says Mr. Dylan. There's zero rhyme or reason as much as people think there is. Sounds like someone who tried it, got their butt kicked, and quit. If you have no system, it can be gambling, sure. But so is going to college for 4 years and getting a job that takes you 30 years to pay back your student loans, and you pay double the amount in your student loans as you do in interest because you gambled on that and you lost, you know? Anything that involves time, risk, and money is quote-unquote gambling. It's true. If day trading is a scam in that sense, then so is college in that sense. You know? Same thing. Let's see what we get here, guys. Hopefully we don't shop now. We got that aggressive move up the open. Now we're just slow. Price action is having a mental breakdown. Yeah, it's been interesting right here for sure. It's also FOMC week. So this is interesting. We closed right below the 15-minute low. $88, $38, less than half the candle's wick, but still a little sketchy. I mean, if you're going to try shorts, your stops have to be like 765. I'm not sure it's something I want to take. Yep. See, that's exactly why I held off. What's the method for trading red days? Lower highs, trend entries. Do you see why I told you guys down here where I circled that, where someone was like, why don't you go short down here? This is exactly why. Now, sometimes it will work. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Sometimes you will short the lows or along the highs and it will work, but a lot of times you'll get absolutely crushed. I don't like getting crushed on breakouts. That's why I don't trade them. Yo, Jdun, thanks for following me on all 4 of your alt accounts. Oh, yeah. Yeah, please don't get scammed by fake Jduns, guys. Wes P said, I like how you said that about college in the interview with Josh. I went to college and law school. Terrible gamble. Made me money, but the price was depression and alcoholism / ganja abuse. Now I'm sober, happy, fulfilled, and I love trading. That's awesome, man. Thank you for mentioning the ganja abuse, too. I say that, and people get the freaking pitchforks out at me. And I'm like, yeah, a lot of people would abuse the ganja and can't handle their emotions, and they wonder why they can't handle their emotions in trading. Just saying. It's all correlated, man. Just saying. It's true. Didn't become profitable until I became 100% sober. I don't doubt that, bro. That's awesome, man. That's awesome, bro. All right, let's see how we react up here. Our 50% retracements at 800. I don't think smoking and calming your emotions helps. I think you should figure out underlying why you can't control your emotions and deal with the pain underneath and stop using substances for bandages. And I don't say that in a rude way. You mean 839? Yep. Yep, I like that area too. Asia low, pre-market low, VWAP, 840 to like 870. That whole area looks great for shorts. Yep. Yep. I'll try shorts in that area too. That's what I was watching all morning. Yeah. You got that pivot right here. It's also at the 50% retracement of the day. I got to piss like a freaking racehorse again. Yep. I'm setting a sell order at 840. Gene, want to come here quick? I put a sell order at 840 for my first entry in shorts, guys. So I will get filled if it goes to 840. What's up, bro? Like a filled? Did I get filled? What'd you say? Oh, yep. Just news candle rips up. I like that 840 area. I took off my limit order for now, guys. I'm manually locked in, ready to rock and roll if we get up there. Don't. 840 to 860. Probably have stops at like 900 for me. That candle high up there is 930, but it's kind of a lot of risk for a position like that. Yeah, me too, man. Like 901. As a reminder, guys, if I take this, I am willing to lose money and go red and be red. As it'll be my first trade of the day, it will be a losing trade if I lose it. So I tell you guys that my risk is defined. I hope it doesn't lose money. 839, 840. Yep. Started a piece of shorts too. Took a starter piece of shorts. I'll put a hard stop at 900. I like 840 to 860, guys, right in here. Nope, Grizzly's fault if it stops. $848.60. This is the area I like. I am trying the shorts. If it stops me out, I will be red on the day, everybody. Yep, going up and lowering volumes. So, I mean, this candle might have higher volume, which isn't great, but it's worth the risk for me with the pre-market low, Asia low, VWAP right here, 840 to 860. Yep. 840. This is the area I like, guys. Better areas here around 850. Where's my... If I lose this trade, I will be 0 for 1 and potentially have 2 red days in a row. This is the spot right here if we're going to reject. VWAP, pre-market low, Asia low. I'm not going to add either. 901 are my stops. I will stop out and I will lose. I will be red to start the day. Proudly. I like this trade a lot. I like these key levels. A lot of times you'll come up and test these key levels and you'll see an overall trend move down. So we'll see. I'm either going to take my loss to the chin, over 1 in the day. Missed that first setup by a few points. Only other setup I liked. So I'll try this. If I get stopped, potentially look for another one. If I had to lose 2 trades, I'd be done. So we'll see. I'd like to see a failure back to like 800, ideally. I mean, for 1-to-1, I'd like to see around that 800, but it's not looking great right now. So this 5-minute chart is not doing what I'd like it to do. But I have a hard stop at 900 or 901. So if we go 901, I'll get stopped out. Part of the game. Don't like the risk of it, then don't take the trade. It's still just above that entry point, 20 points or so. I will take my L to the chin if it goes to 901. I swear, if it does me dirty, if it goes to like, where's 901? There we go. If it goes to like 900, then rejects, I'm just done. I blame FOMC and Grizzly. It's the market's fault. It's FOMC's fault. It's Fed Chairman Warsh's fault. It's this BBC's fault. I'm not adding either, guys. I'm on my live account, so I'll take a live real money loss if I get stopped. Real money loss if I lose. That looks decent. Come on. Getting closer back to that break even. We'll see. See if we can get any sort of selling to come in. I don't like how we had higher volume on this 5-minute here. I don't like this at all that we're rebounding this either, so we'll see. I'm not going to sell early. Made that promise to myself. I either get stopped out at 901 or it goes to my TP. If I lose, I'm sorry, guys. That'll be 2 days in a row of potentially being red. Day's not over, but I'll only have about 45 more minutes to trade today. And I actually have to get off because I have to film something, so. First trade I liked, edged. Second trade, nearing death. Especially if we close this candle strong above point of control or pre-market low. Not what you want to see with this retracement trade. So we'll see. You need Trump tweet right now to the downside, please. Trump tweet down right now to the downside, please. We're skating on thin ice. We're on hospice. This trade, though, if it does lose, I'll be happy I took it. I would take this trade 10 times in a row, 20 times in a row. Even if it does lose, I'd take it 20 times in a row. So we'll see. Getting close back to that break even if you don't like it. Yeah. We'll see. Yep. If you don't like it, yep, back near entry. So if you don't like it, it's your chance to bail. Don't get mad at me if it goes to the stop loss. I'm keeping my same plan. Me too. It's back at entry, everybody. So your choice. Yeah, hopefully we don't just touch Asian low and bounce. So we'll see. Candle don't look bad. This reversal candle looks good. We'll see if we can respect it. I'm keeping to my plan. I'm not going to move my stops early. Yep. Pull a good old Nate. 2 points trim. I'm just playing. This jokes. 3 points trim. Come on. I see green. We see green. Come on. Where's the 50%? Come on. I don't like that we're coming near that 50% retracement of that candle. $35 points so far. I'm going to take out a third of my position here, guys. I'm going to de-risk a little early. I'm going to take out a third of my position here. Not quite at 1-to-1. I'm taking out a third of my position here, guys. 8-14. Taking out a third of my position. Only because we had an aggressive 5-minute candle here. We're coming back down to that 50% retracement. I'm going to take off a third of my position, and I'm also going to, now that I've taken a little off, I'm going to move my stops to 880. So take off 20 points of risk. I'd like to see 800 for a trim too. Big trim. We're up 35 points, 40 points depending on your entry. If you added into that 850, it's up real nice. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. 800 area is be sure you, well, I would recommend being careful around 800. I'm going to go ahead and once we hit 800 down here, I'm going to move my stops to break even. I've taken a third off. Come on. Push it. Come on. You got want this thing. All right, guys. Another trim at 800. Nice job, Grizzly. Nice job, team. Let's go. Come on. Let's freaking go, guys. Yes. Hey, all the haters from earlier. I just want to let you know that I love you and I hope you're printing on this trade. Let's go. Stops at entry. You're killing it. Let's see. Yep, let's see if we can keep moving down. I wanted to see more out of this, but we'll take it. I'd love to see us move down to like, if we can flush this 800, get a grip of room down. My hard stops are at 850, everybody. 850 are my hard stops. Where's 850? There. Nice job, everybody. Not huge. I would have rather seen a bigger trend move, but we'll take it so far. We'll take it so far. Come on. Give us full reversal now. Come on. Come on. Flush this 800 now. Will I be on for power hour? Maybe. I haven't decided yet. Nice job, guys. You leaving? Oh, where you going? Office? Nice. You guys figure out the email yet? Oh. Nice job, guys. Let's go. Jdun and Team Bull. All right, guys, let's go. Let's freaking get it. I'd love to see us. What? Yep. I have my stop at 850. I'm going to probably move it down to 840. Given, let's see. Yep. I'm going to move my stop down to 841, guys. Just above that 5-minute high. Let's see if we can get lower. Let's see if we can get this to push down, guys. That's what we needed. Patience. One good trade a day is all it takes, baby. I'd love to see this be the lower high and we just die. All right, guys. Let's get. It's been a long, patient morning. Let's show some love, everybody. Let's talk about it. If you guys caught that trade with Grizzly Glock and myself, let me know in chat how you guys are doing this morning. If you guys took that 15-minute orb, or you guys took that trade, how are we doing this morning? Talk to me. We clap for others. Remember that. How much y'all make on that trade? Let's see it. Show some love, baby. Let's go. Show people what's possible. How much money you make on that trade? 500, 400, 409, 15, 1,000, 11, 15, 602, 89, 189, 245, 500, 300, 200, 100. We love base hits. 500, 2 micros, 240. Let's go. Moving, baby. Moving and grooving. God bless, guys. And if you didn't catch it, the next one will come. The setup will come again. It'll come again and again and again and again. So no FOMO. We clap for others. You guys, the whole point of this is you guys learn, level up, and next time it comes, you catch it. There's no need to have FOMO. If you mismanaged it, if you didn't catch it, whatever it is. Good thing about this is it's all systematic, repeatable setups. I don't want to hear nobody saying, you didn't call that, this, that, and the next. It was the only setup we watched, literally for the whole move up. And hopefully we keep moving now. Hopefully we can move down and continue this, make this our lower high for the day, and keep it moving. Clap for others until it's your turn. Amen. That's what defines winners. Let's go! My hard stops are still at 841, guys. Yes. That's what we wanted to see, baby. Right there. If you guys would like to potentially be a home for some FFF accounts, or I even do have a few. I have a few grand prizes of some Lucid 50K directs. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make sure you guys tag me and post your gains. If you guys took the trade of Grizzly, tag him. If you guys have X, also tag me on X at Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on X, everybody. Let's go tag me and I will repost you. Got some FFFs. And of course, I got a grand prize of a few Lucid Direct 50Ks. Those are the dailies, the Lucid dailies, excuse me, the Lucid dailies. To be, we got that's something I wanted to see. I wanted to see us move lower. I wanted to see us trend all the way down like this. I'll take it though. Come on. Oh, baby, come on. Let this push down now. Come on. I like that. Let's go. Nice job, Grizzly Glock. Yeah, that's what we wanted. See if we can get lower, guys. Come on. Woo! Let's go. Just excited, man. I love seeing people win and make money. I love seeing you win. I love seeing you win. And you win. And girl, I love seeing you win. I love it. I can't get enough of it. Come on. My stops are still at 841. I'd like to see us continue down. Hopefully we don't wake up and then die. The haters are silent today. I hope they're silent and making money. Oftentimes people's negativity and hostility in trading in the trading space comes from their own personal losses, which I genuinely feel bad for. I don't want to see anyone lose. My objective, I've even had a lot of people that join Team Bull or join the lives and they're like, all right, guys, trade's over, trade's over. Trade's over, guys, trade's over, trade's over. I got a bad fill on that stop, too. I just got filled at like 850. What? Well, all right, guys. Damn. If I would have been sized heavy on that stop, that would have cooked. That would have cooked me like 9 points above. The heck? Trade's over. Trade's over, guys. Trade's over. That's why you have hard stops in. Watch it wick and then die. Anyone else get a higher fill on their stop? I had my limit order at 841. I got filled at like 849.75, almost 850. That BS. Like, what? It's fine. It's right around break even, but still. All right, we'll still take it on everything. 2 racks for the day. I was hoping we could get like a 3-4K day on that. I was literally planning on holding that until at least the 15-minute low. And then ideally on that, you get down to like a low a day. So it's all right. On my FFFs too, those fundeds I trade separately from the live. We're so close, guys. Literally one more day of 200 to a 5K payout on FFF. Mind you, first set of premieres I've ever bought. Fun stuff there. And then also those Lucids are up fat too. Lucids are up fat. They're definitely going to move me live. I probably won't take their live. I think you can choose between like getting a portion of your profits or moving live. I'll probably just take the money. I already have a big live account. I don't need your prop live account. And the only reason I trade props is to show you guys I can. Most of that money I buy, I end up buying giveaways for people. Like I end up buying accounts to give away. Or just doing giveaways. When angels fall. All right, guys, let's see what else we can get. All right, here's the deal. To clean up the chat a little bit, go react in our live trading channel to enter the giveaway. We're going to try to see if it works a little better to veer away from people flooding the chat in Discord with a million things. And instead, you guys can go react to that message to enter the giveaway. See you, girl. See you, bro. See you, bro. Peace. You like to rock, paper? You like to rock, paper, scissors? Stuck in a coma. Yeah, that point of control worked nice. Grisology is a paid indicator. It's a paid indicator. That's correct. As a reminder, tag me on your Twitter at Jdun Trades. I got some nice stuff for y'all there too. It's my 1 year anniversary with Team Bull this week. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I love having you in the community, man. You guys see my grandma's finished master bathroom? Pretty sweet. Check that out. Pretty sweet. She was stoked. Head out to Colorado. She went back to a nice, beautiful bathroom. Oh, snap. Tell me that's not fire. She's pretty stoked, man. She's pretty stoked. That's the real flex of making money and learning how to trade and taking control of your life. The cars and material can be cool, but the real flex is doing cool stuff for your fam, in my opinion. You know? Also, as a reminder, guys, I won't be on the full live stream. I'll probably be on Zoom and Team Bull and maybe on like my phone, on phone for live on Thursday, but I do have I'm going to be traveling Wednesday evening for a funeral Thursday morning. So I will not be, or it's like Thursday at 11. So I will not be doing my normal trading routine on Thursday. Just so you guys are aware. Thanks, Cynthia. Appreciate you. Order filled. All right, guys. We're in. Order filled. We're in, guys. Let's go. Not telling you what we're in, but we're in. It's one of my secret trades that I apparently do. It's a joke, by the way. I'm just in. It's your job to guess. So that way, if I say I'm in and you don't know, either way, I'm right. And then it's, what's funny is sometimes on some of the free streams, I'll joke like that and they'll be like, all right, guys, beware. He's saying he's in both long and short. So either way he wins. I'm like, yeah, because that would totally work with futures. It actually can work with options. You can do a straddle. It's called a straddle. If one of your positions goes over 100%, you win. Yeah, you can't straddle on futures, though. It's this, it's the same. Let's see what else we get. Lucid Daily, please. Yeah, I got a few of those. I also need to get some FFFs too. They're slacking on sending them to me. What up? What's up, bro? Nothing, just grinding. Can I get some FFF codes for the FFF sponsored day? Let's go. The people got the pitchforks out, man. Oh. All right, bet. Yeah. Bet. Let's go. Guess what? I'm one day away from a 5K payout with FFF. You pay me all your money, baby. I'm coming for it. Yep. Said, watch how fast it is. So when I request my payout from FFF, how fast is it going to be? Instant approval. Nice. Let's go. Let's get it. Bet, bro. Peace. Thank you. All right. Had to take care of business. Get you all your money. What do you think, guys? We watch for a 2-bar to the upside? What do you guys think? My screen. I don't know why it does that, bro. It's like so weird. Let's go! All right, I'm gonna share my screen again. How fast do lucid payouts come? Very fast. Poop Lip says I'm late to the trade. Well, I guess I'm late. Poop Lips says I'm late, then I'm late. All right, I'm gonna make this call. I'll be right back, guys. Then I got some giveaways and maybe not trade coming. What up? Hello, everybody. Mr. Jdun is back to trade. How are you doing, everybody? Are you ready for me to get the giveaway? How was everybody's trading? Did you all make a profit with me earlier? I'm hoping that you all were able to take the trade with me and make the profit. I do have a very busy rest of the day, so I'm going to trade for about 5 to 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to go and eat some lunch, and then I'm going to record the video for YouTube, so you guys can make sure that you watch the video on YouTube and learn the strategy for the profit. Gene's Basement says he wants the giveaway trade. You want to be pilot? Okay, you can be pilot. high volume reversal. It potentially could be high volume reversal. My problem is that we have pre-market high right above. What is your YouTube handle? My YouTube handle is at Jdun Trades. At Jdun Trades. That is my YouTube handle. Jungle Jim says, good trading day with a couple of base hits. Happy to say that I stayed patient and had no FOMO or desire to revenge trade. Thanks, Grizzly and Jdun, for the mentorship. Off to hit the beach. Toodaloo. Goodbye, bro. I hope you have a great day. As a reminder, if you're on the free live streams, I appreciate you guys hitting follow button in top left corner and hitting subscribe on YouTube and hitting bell icon. I very much so appreciate. I do my best to help every day. Let's see what else we can get, guys. Let's go. See what else we can get today. We are mogging today. Literally mogging. What I say? I say, oh, hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Jdun, and I would love to help you move the market and help you make the profit. That's why I come on every day. I give you winning day trade. I come on and help you learn strategy so you can come in and hit buy and then sell for profit and make the money and enjoy your life and become profitable. I want you guys going to all of your haters, everyone who doubt you, everyone who says you can't do it, and I say, yes, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it very well. But you must come in and manage your risk. You must come in and trade smart and trade safe and stay focused and choose discipline over the dopamine. And when you can do that, when you can do it consistently, that is when profits start to roll in. But you must remember, you cannot go back to old habits, because when old habits come in, bad thing happen, you lose profit. So instead of doing old habit, you must come in a new habit and develop discipline over dopamine and trade smart and trade safe and keep the profit. And once you keep the profit, then good things happen in your life. You become profitable and you make more and more money until you can do what you want in your life. Okay? That is how you mog everyone who doubts you. The end. Oh, yeah. Bro lost. Nope, not today, baby. You wish. The pigeon has spoken. The pigeon has spoken. The pigeon has spoken. The words of wisdom. It doesn't come out a lot. Think we're going to sweep? Honestly, I mean, I could see us, if we can build a base above here, this is actually a situation where if we could build a base and above this level here, and especially if we take out pre-market high, there's a very real world where we go and test this Asia high up here. We move up and test Asia high. Asia high is up at like 28,300. Definitely a real scenario. As a reminder, guys, if you haven't seen my most recent YouTube interview, I highly recommend you guys go check it out. It's got almost 1,500 views on my backup channel. I interviewed one of our discipline trader program students. That's my private mentorship DoD student, and he's an absolute beast, man. Why does it always do that to my Zoom, bro? Why it does that, man? Make sure you guys, if you guys haven't already, go watch that whole hour-long student success interview. There's a ton to learn. Very good interview. And at a minimum, just go open it, like it, and let it play all the way through for the algorithm. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Let's go. Guys, so I seen that Brett was talking about Tradeify adding single stock futures. There's just not enough volume yet. I can't do it right now. Sorry. Jdun, my alarm didn't go off. I'm so mad. Come on, bro. Oh, looks like we want to target Asia highs. I agree. I agree with that, bro. I got me some bathing apes. I used to do a lot of that reselling. I used to resell Bape, Supreme. Y'all remember Supreme? Off-White. As a reminder, guys, Apex is 90% off right now. You can use code Jdun. We got Lucid 30% off. We got Tradeify 35% off. Funded Features Family 40% off. And Funded Next 25% off. See what else we get today, guys. I am going to leave soon. I'm going to pick our X giveaway winners first. As a reminder, I'm going to pick someone who reacts with this too. Repost, heart, and respond. My latest tweet on X. Go show that some love. Damn, they gave me a grip of accounts. But I have to go. So stressful. I'm going to give out all these free accounts, man. I'm sure someone who would just take all these accounts off my hands and do it for me. So stressful having all these accounts. I had to give out one by one, literally thousands of dollars worth of accounts. I can help. Give them all to me. I'll give them all. I'm sure you will, bro. If you guys want an FFF account, make sure you guys have one of their accounts. Also, they have a deal going on right now. If you're a brand new trader, you get 50% off your first 2 accounts. You get 50% off the Premier or the Premier 50Ks or 25Ks. One of my favorite firms right now, and they have my favorite accounts with the Funded Futures family. Paid out over $23 million to traders. Yeah, those Lucids are a banger deal. That's $115. The boring business is coming along too, guys. Coming along really nice. Look at that. Now we're moving up. Now we're moving on up. It's one of my favorite Metallica songs, bro. Love this song. Dun-dun. Oh no, I couldn't. In good faith, I couldn't give you a lucid daily and tell you to full port. It's not even 1 day pass. It's 2 day pass. That's one of the reasons why the lucid dailies are way better than Take Profit Trader. So if you're on TPT, there's a way better account now that has the same funded. It's only a 2 day pass eval instead of a 5. Way better. You can use code Jdun for 30% off. I'll need the account for proof. I just bought enough FF account. Nice. Code Jdun, yes, sir. Shmoney said, Team Bull, it's my birthday today, and I just want to say that this community has helped me grow immensely, not only as a trader, but as a person with discipline and patience. I'm so grateful and hope all of you have many more years of beauty and profitability. Let's go, Shmoney. Give that a handshake. Shake that man's hand. Happy birthday, Shmoney. Getting money. Today is not my birthday. All right, let's see here, everybody. Hello. Hello. Hello, my name is Mr. Jade, and I'm too busy for you to scam. So if you scam me, I'll scam you twice as hard. May I please give you a car warranty that you're interested in? Goodbye. I'm scamming the scammers. They want to scam me, I'm scamming them right back. They're not funny. I think I'm funny sometimes. People tend to think I'm funny here and there. Why'd you hang up on me? Oh. Yeah, honestly, though, life insurance, low-key a scam for the investment. I know people will say different. It's the best thing ever. Blah, 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 blah. Low-key kind of sketch. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead and go to that Zoom channel for premium members. All right. The first 50K Prime account. Let's go to our Jdun Grizzly Live Trading. Let's see who reacted. First giveaway is going to Tim T29. Tim T29. Congratulations. Thanks for being a Team Bowl premium member. The best place to learn, level up, and win. Second one, let's see who reacted, is going to Kiara Kikido. Kikido with the win. Congratulations. First time winner as well. 50K Prime with FFF with the Funded Features family. The Primes and the Premiers are my favorite accounts. Let's pick another one who reacted in the premium channel. Long-time member. I recognize that name. Last name Savage. Congratulations. OG member in Team Bowl. DK Prime. FFF. Congratulations. Thank you for being a Team Bowl member for years. Let's see. Who else? Let's pick another premium member. Where's this guy at? I seen something I liked. Well, I lost it. Never mind. Gonna pick Candle Dad. Candle Dad with the dub. First time winner as well. Congrats. 50K Prime. FFF. Congratulations, my friend. Now, while we're at it, with the Funded Futures family, I'm going to go ahead and drop 3 in the live trading chat. First come, first serve on those 3 accounts. As a reminder, a majority of giveaways do go to premium. Just left Team Bowl review. Cal Capones have been trading with Jdun and Team Bowl for a few years now. Finally made the switch to premium, and it's worth every dollar. The real-time alerts and the great Team Bowl community helps me stay disciplined. Oh, yeah, that's definitely worth a code there. I appreciate you leaving a review. Anytime you guys leave reviews, it means the world. If I've helped you make money, learn and better your life. 50K Prime, congratulations. Let's show a little love to the free streams, too. All right. Tick to the talk. Here you go. 50K Prime account on the Funded Futures family. One for y'all. And, of course, I got to show some love to the tube as well. 50K Prime coming out. First come, first serve with FFF. Someone's getting that code. All right. Let's see here. Let's see what else we got. Now for the premieres. Got to give one to the GOAT, Mr. Jonathan, as always. The GOAT, always in chat every day. 50K Premiere. First giveaway. Let's go. Go ahead and go to post your gains. Let's see who gets the second premiere. Nicole G said base hits and DOD 361. First winner 50K FFF premiere. Great job. Thank you for being an active Team Bowl premium member. Let's see who else is. Mama J said, thanks for the great call out at Jdun at Grizzly. Took a week off of trading to enjoy some family time. Came back to a banger and a free account. Let's go. 50K Premier account. Congrats. She's won multiple. She stays active. That's what happens. Let's go ahead and see who tagged me on X. Let's show some love for a free giveaway. Let's see who tagged me on X with their gains. Trading with you has changed my life. Funded in 2 days. I'm just Dom with the first giveaway winner. He's won before, but I picked him already. 50K Premier. Let's go. Appreciate you showing love, my boy. Let's go ahead and pick another one. Let's see who showed some love. So a reminder, most of the giveaways do go to Team Bull Premium, just so you're aware. See you engage. Chris Weber, can't stop, won't stop practicing DOD every day with Jdun. Thanks for all the free game. 50K Premier FFF. Yeah, I'd be careful with shorts. I'd be very careful. Let's go here. Another Premier account. DOD 2 weeks in Team Bowl. Best decision I've made. Yep. Well, it just became even better. You just got yourself a free FFF 50K Premier, $100 giveaway. And it's your first one. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations, my friend. Drop another one in chat. 50K Premier dropped in premium chat. Congratulations. I get you guys use code Jdun. They give me accounts to give y'all. Well, all right, Herman, I got you. I'm not sure if it was validated. It might have taken too long, but we'll honor it. 50K Premier, thanks for being a premium member. First day in here. And just join the mentorship. Join the Discipline Trader program. All right, well, there's another account on top of the $1 million in funding you got. The most valuable program in the world. Let's see here. All right. You guys ready? Here's the last code. I wrote it vertically. We'll see if you can get it. That's the last code. Let's see who gets it first. I don't know if it'll let you copy it or what. We'll see. And the grand finale winner. The grand finale winner of the Lucid Daily. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. The Lucid Direct. Or wait, no daily. These are directs. Why are these directs? Oh, they don't have giveaway codes. Lucid Directs. These are expensive. Damn. What's up, bro? Still on mic. Damn, these are directs. These are expensive, bro. 50K directs is serious. These are $360 accounts. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, geez, Louise. Oh, man. Wow. $360 accounts. I'm sitting here looking at almost $4,000 worth of accounts. Just begging for homes. I got the whole farmyard of Lucid chickens looking for a hen house. Damn. Damn. Oh, man. You can come in, Gerardo. I'm just on stream. Hot mic. Don't say nothing stupid. I don't pick someone, I pick myself. What the actual... That's insane. These are direct. These are straight to funded. These aren't even the dailies, guys. I didn't realize they gave me directs. These are straight to funded accounts. These are the expensive ones. Oh, snap. Oh, geez, Louise. Honey on a biscuit. What do I even do with these? There's so much pressure. These are straight to fundeds, no eval. These are the expensive ones. $360. And they hooked it up. That is crazy. Butter my biscuit and call me Jacob James. This is insane. What do I do with this? Who needs these direct accounts? I'm going to have to figure out something. I'll butter you up. Y'all are hilarious. Kendall? What's up, Gerardo? Hot Mike. What's up, bro? Y'all are hilarious. Oh, do you? Nice. Y'all are hilarious, man. What's pressure? Everyone wants a $360 account. That's a come up. You're basically walking on the street and you find $300 bills. You know what? Let's see something. All right. I'm picking two people. Tyler says it's my birthday on Saturday. It's my baby shower on Saturday too, and my wife told everyone that my baby is more important, valid, and I'm a veteran for the military, and I love you. All right, first Lucid Direct is going to him. Thank you for your service and your engagement in Team Bowl. You just got a $360 account. Damn. Thank you for your service. And the second one and the final one. I still have 8 more after this, so we'll space them out throughout the week. $360 is crazy. Spit my drink out. Hmm. Oh man. Hmm. Yeti Trade says, I'm not begging. Hope y'all get it. I'm going to go back to work, get back to plumbing. You know what? Blue collar, I respect it. Here's a Lucid 50K direct for you. Go enjoy your day plumbing. Go get some people plumbed up and come back to a $360 account, baby. Let's go. 50K direct to the plumber, baby. Right to the plumber in his first giveaway ever. Congratulations. Broda Strap said, hope y'all get it. Good luck. Reverse psychology. I'm about to be out of here, guys. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose discipline over dopamine. If you're on TikTok, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. If you're on YouTube, appreciate you guys subbing. As a reminder, I appreciate every one of you guys subbing to the YouTube Jdun Trades. And I'll see you guys potentially Power Hour, probably not. And then probably not for Asia either. So I probably will see you guys tomorrow morning. All right? God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day. One winning trade in the day. Hope you all do something positive for yourself. Hope you follow your rules. And I'll see you later. Peace. God bless. Adios, everyone. God bless. Make sure if you're on the lives, hit that follow button. Best place to be is premium, though. Peace. God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see y'all later. Make sure to hit that follow button, TikTok. God bless. Adios.